Power an iPhone or Samsung device with our 37W boost-up pointing arrow charge dual-wall charger. It's packed with intelligent PPS technology to safely and optimally power compatible devices with its 25W USB-C port while charging an additional device at the same time with its 12W USB-A port. This charger is USB-C PD 3.0 certified, giving fast charge speeds of 0 to 50% in 25 minutes for iPhone and 0 to 50% in 26 minutes for Samsung. Thoughtfully designed with a small footprint, this compact and travel-friendly dual charger fits any environment and is the ideal charging solution for homes that have a variety of tablets and smartphones, including iPhone, iPad, Samsung, Google, and other devices. Not all device models support fast charging. Actual charging rate will vary depending on device model and other factors. Plus USB-C PD technology charges iPhone 12 from 0 to 50% in 25 minutes when paired with a USB-C cable with Lightning connector not included. Charge time varies with environmental factors, actual results will vary. Plus USB-C PD technology charges Galaxy S21 Ultra 5G from 0 to 50% in 26 minutes when paired with a USB-C cable with Lightning connector not included. Charge time varies with environmental factors, actual results will vary. Top reviews from the United States. Reliable charger. Go for it. With this charger, I can fully recharge my Samsung A13 5GS battery in 1.5 hours. In my 2 months of having it, I have not had any problems with overheating, weird noises, or burning smells. Yeah, when purchasing electrical components, please go for the more expensive option from a reputable brand.